Hello friends, we will see how to make this popcorn stitch flower. So let's get started with any yarn. You can start with any yarn and any crochet hook, any size crochet hook. The size depends upon the type of yarn and the size of the hook. So first start with a slip knot and chain 2. 1, 2. Now once you chain 2, insert the hook into the first chain and make 8 single crochets into that chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 8. Now you have 8 single crochets in that chain. Now slip stitch onto the first stitch. Once you slip stitch, make chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Now yarn over and insert the hook into the same stitch. Into the same stitch. 2, 3, 4. So now you have totally 5 double crochets. The first 3 chains is considered as a double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the first time you will make 4 double crochets into the same stitch. And now leave the hook from the loop, insert your hook into the first single crochet and then into the loop again, and then yarn over and pull the loop through both the loops and then chain 1. Now double crochet 5 times into the next stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now leave the loop, go to the first chain, insert the hook into the first chain and then insert it into the loop back again, and then yarn over and pull the loop into both the chains and then chain 1. Now again 5 double crochet into the next stitch. And 5. Now leave the hook, remove the hook from the loop, go to the first chain, insert the hook into the loop again, yarn over and pull the yarn through both the stitches and then chain 1. Now like this you have to make 8 petals. Okay, now this is a single layered popcorn stitch flower. You can make multiple layers. In this video we will just see the single layered flower. So continue doing this. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. So here this is the 7th one, and you will be doing one more. So totally 8 petals. So after chaining one, just insert the hook into the chain space and then make a slip knot. So this is how the back side will look, and this is how the front of the flower will look. Now cut the yarn, make a knot, and then with the help of the tail yarn, make another knot close by. And cut. You can either weave in or cut here. So this is the popcorn stitch flower. So hope you like it. Thank you.